She has a presence that feels calm, yet powerful, a beauty that doesn't demand attention but naturally commands it. With expressive eyes, graceful poise, and emotionally grounded performances, Özge Yağız has become one of the most admired faces of Turkish television, known for turning simplicity into strength and silence into impact. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content on your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 26, 1997, in Istanbul, Turkey, Özge Yağız grew up far from the glitter of fame. Before stepping into the world of acting, she completed her studies in dietetics, a background that reflects her disciplined and health-focused approach to life. Acting, however, was always her true calling, and she pursued professional training to sharpen her natural talent. Her career took a decisive turn in 2018 when she appeared in supporting roles, but real recognition arrived with her portrayal of Reyhan in the long-running daily drama Yemin. The role introduced her to millions of viewers and established her as an actress capable of delivering emotional depth with restraint and sincerity. Rather than relying solely on popularity, Özge chose to evolve, selecting projects that challenged her range and refined her screen identity. Following her breakthrough, she gained further acclaim with performances in series like Sol Yanım, İkimizden Biri, and later Sapphire, where her maturity as an actress became increasingly evident. By 2026, Özge Yağız is regarded as a dependable lead, an actress-director's trust for emotionally demanding roles and audiences connect with effortlessly. Off-screen, her lifestyle mirrors her personality, composed, private, and balanced. She avoids unnecessary media exposure and prefers a structured daily routine. Fitness and nutrition are central parts of her life, not as trends, but as habits shaped by knowledge and consistency. Her calm demeanor and focus on mental well-being have become defining traits of her public image. Fashion is another area where she quietly stands out. Özge favors timeless elegance over excess, clean silhouettes, neutral tones, and minimal styling. On red carpets, she appears refined and confident, while in daily life, she opts for simplicity and comfort, reinforcing her reputation as someone who values authenticity over spectacle. Known to be selective about sharing personal details, Özge Yağız maintains clear boundaries between her professional and private life. This discretion has only added to her appeal, allowing her work to remain the center of attention. Colleagues often describe her as disciplined, respectful, and deeply committed to her craft. As of 2026, her estimated net worth is believed to be in the mid-seven-figure range, earned through television projects, brand collaborations, and endorsements. More importantly, she continues to build long-term credibility in the industry, positioning herself for sustained success rather than short-lived fame. Few unknown details about her often surprise fans. Despite her on-screen confidence, she is naturally introverted and finds comfort in quiet routines. She has a strong interest in psychology and human behavior, which she uses to shape her characters. She is also known for carefully reviewing scripts, prioritizing emotional realism over commercial appeal. Özge Yağız's journey is not loud or rushed. It is steady, intentional, and deeply rooted in self-discipline. As she continues her rise in 2026, she represents a new generation of Turkish actresses, focused, grounded, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Özge Yağız's lifestyle, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a background of fame, yet there was a quiet intensity about her that audiences immediately felt. With a natural blend of elegance, strength, and commanding screen presence, Özge Törer didn't simply enter Turkish television. She stepped into it with purpose, embodying one of history's most respected figures and transforming a single opportunity into a defining career breakthrough. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 16, 1998, in Istanbul, Turkey, Özge Törer's story began far from the scale of epic historical productions. She pursued formal education in the arts at Muğla Koçman University, where she studied performing arts and immersed herself in theater. Those academic years became the foundation of her craft, sharpening her emotional expression, discipline, and ability to fully inhabit complex characters. Her professional breakthrough came when she was cast as Bala Hatun in the historical drama Kuruluş Osman. Taking on a character rooted in history required more than performance. It demanded cultural awareness, emotional restraint, and quiet strength. The series quickly expanded beyond Turkey, reaching international audiences and establishing Özge as a recognizable face in global historical television. Instead of treating the role as a temporary spotlight, she approached it with long-term dedication. Her portrayal balanced grace with resilience, spirituality with determination, earning appreciation from viewers who admired the depth she brought to a historically significant figure. The role did not just introduce her to fame, it positioned her as a leading presence within the genre. By 2026, Özge Törer is regarded as one of the promising young actresses in Turkish historical drama. Producers recognize her consistency, audiences connect with her composed authenticity, and industry observers note her steady growth. Her career path reflects patience and selectivity rather than rapid overexposure. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance and refinement. She maintains a structured routine that supports both physical endurance and emotional focus, especially important for the demanding schedules of period productions. She presents herself with understated elegance, favoring appearances that align with her calm and polished public image. Her fashion choices mirror her personality, graceful yet confident. Whether attending premieres or formal events, she gravitates toward clean silhouettes and timeless styling, reinforcing a brand built on poise rather than extravagance. Although public interest in her private life has grown alongside her fame, she keeps personal matters discreet, consistently allowing her professional work to remain the central narrative. Within the industry, she is described as focused, respectful, and committed to fully understanding the emotional layers of her roles. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects consistent earnings from long-running television success, endorsements, and brand collaborations. More importantly, she has built credibility early in her career, positioning herself for longevity rather than momentary popularity. What distinguishes Özge most is composure. From her debut to sustained recognition, she carries maturity beyond her years. Her journey is defined by careful growth, cultural representation, and quiet ambition. Özge Törer's rise reflects intention rather than accident. From university stages to international screens, her path shows discipline, patience, and evolving artistry. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a refined symbol of modern Turkish historical drama, grounded, elegant, and steadily ascending. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.